This is the popular smartwatch with call function facility, good looking with rounded curved glass, easy detachable strap and with effective health sensors, and equipped with IP68 dust and water resistant coating and with almost all common features under 1500 rupees. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. This is nothing but Bolt's Drip Plus Made in India product with highlighted features like 1-year warranty, Bluetooth calling, IP68 rating with health monitoring and with 1.85-inch TFT HD display. Just for 1099 in a deal price. Now let's have a look inside the box pack. This is the warranty extension card and you will get total 15 months of warranty. User manual of the smartwatch. This is the cute icy blue variant of the smartwatch with magnetic charging cable, you can see here. Bolt logo at the strap buckle. The watch frame is made up of good quality polycarbonate material, but it looks as if made of metal. Bottom of the watch contain the charging port, the sensors like SpO2 and heart rate monitoring. You can see here, these are blinking. We have switched on the smartwatch by holding and pressing the multifunction button. We will get back to the smartwatch menu within a few moments, but let's have a glance on the charging. You will not be able to use the smartwatch at the time of charging. Here you can get the clear idea about the size of the smartwatch. For better experience, you have to add this smartwatch with the Bolt Fit app. Download it from the Play Store. Follow this step minutely for adding your smartwatch with the smartphone. Smartwatch has been successfully paired with the smartphone. Now you will be able to change the watch face directly from the smartwatch. You can see here. Several necessary functions you can activate directly from the smartwatch now. Let's have a glance on the smartwatch menus. Now we can see here sleep, heart rate, blood pressure, SpO2, exercise, weather, messages, AI voice, camera, timer, breathe, alarm, music, stopwatch, flashlight, find phone, game and others. If you click others, you can see here display. Under display you can see here several menus are there. Watch faces also can be changed from the smartphone. You can see here in this way. At home screen, if you swipe right, you will get the quick menu. Under menu others, you can get display, do not disturb, low power mode, phone, phone reset, vibration, and under system you will get restart, power off and reset. Menu style can be changed under menu option, grid view and list view. If you enable grid view, the view will be like that. The honeycomb design. If you swipe down at the home screen, then quick menu will appear like DND, intensity of the screen, timer, camera, torch and settings. You can increase the intensity of the screen in 5 easy steps up to 500 nits. So you will be able to watch your smartwatch under sun effortlessly and easily. Smartwatch will be waked up when you raise your wrist. If you swipe left at the home screen, you will get the notification. You can see here several notifications are there. Clear all and all notifications will be deleted. Swipe left again, you will get the activity data. Again left, you will get the call function menu. These are inbuilt speaker and microphone in the smartwatch. Now let's go to the dial pad. Dial directly from the smartwatch and call function can be activated and organized from smartwatch. You can see here. For incoming call, you can accept, reject the phone, silence the phone, speaker can be activated also.
Bolt Drip Plus smartwatch. So I want to verify the call function of this smartwatch is good or not. That's why I have called you. Can you hear my words properly?
Yes, I can hear your words properly.
Is it loud also?
Yeah, it is loud also. No problem.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
I have activated the heart rate sensor on the surface and it is showing that please wear the watch properly and try again. That means it is working. correctly. Now wearing the smartwatch, I have activated heart rate and this time it is showing the real time data. To verify the data, we have taken higher end smartwatch and we have seen that same result is coming in the Bold Drift Plus smartwatch also. So I want to show that in this price range, this smartphone is giving you consistent data. You can see here. Now we are measuring SpO2. Again we are comparing with the higher end smartwatch in the left hand side of the Bold Drift Plus. It will also show consistent and reliable data. You can see here 98 and this is also 98. Now let's measure blood pressure on the Bold Drift Plus smartwatch. It is 111/69. These values are for reference only and cannot be used as the medical basis. Now let's click on the menu exercise and you will get several options like that. Company claims 100 plus sports mode and also you can add other sports mode by clicking on the plus button. Here you can see outdoor mode, other sports, and these are the sports given in this smartwatch. Now let's tap on the timer. Some default time is given. You can set according to your wish also. This is the breathing mode. So you can do the breathing exercise by this mode. Now this is the alarm. The preset alarms are there. So you will be not able to add new alarm from the smartwatch. For that you have to take help of the Bold Fit app. This is stopwatch function. This is flashlight menu. It will help you at the deep dark night. You can see here. And some games also there. You see there are total 3 games. Beat boring time by playing mini games. This is the best smartwatch deal under 1100 rupees. Its predecessor Bold Drift was the best seller in 2022. Now this is more upgraded and better version, that is Bold Drift Plus. Without any hesitation, you can buy this smartwatch. Thank you.